Hi everyone. Since there's a bunch of cooking shows, I decided to do a cooking show with Kaden, Chavez, and myself on Valentine's Day. We have in store today some steaks and some asparaguses and some lobster. We'll show you in a little bit. Is your mom out of this picture?
Yeah.
All right, got that.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so we're gonna prepare the asparagus. We're gonna do some olive oil here, and then we just spread it all around here. Okay. All right, you can stop laughing, cameraman. Now we're gonna put some ground pepper. All right, this one's taking too long. What we're gonna actually do is we're gonna do some ground pepper here. There we go. That one's better. Okay. Cut. Okay. I think we're now gonna mix this. I didn't wash my hands. However, I may have kicked my nose here. But whatever. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna grab. Damn this out. So now we're gonna. Damn, where's that? We're gonna put this in here real quick, and we're gonna move on to the next part. Putting egg on my burn. Oh yeah, developed a nice swell. Okay. All right, let's keep going with this cooking show.
Can I see that bump, that burnt? He needs to pop it.
Okay, now we're gonna get to the serious part here. This is where we're gonna cook our steak. It usually comes out really raw or well done, and whatever. Okay, so we got some olive oil. We got butter. Back in the day, we used to use lard. Today we use butter. Today is actually fake butter too, so come a long way. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of this. All right, see, you're gonna get burnt. And then we toss these suckers on here with a little love, you know, Valentine's Day. So, okay. Another burn. Come on, man. You need the studio audience to quiet down, please. All right, so we're gonna have those things going. Okay, we're gonna use more pepper here, but I think we're gonna use this one. So we're gonna put some pepper in here. Okay. All right. Let me know when. Okay, so now we're going to move with some sea salt, because regular salt sucks.
I have to go poo.
Alright, so then we're quickly going to put this on to whatever.
Yeah, watch out.
Steak.
Don't get burned.
Come on, man. Alright, shut up. Oh, okay. Hold on. Keep recording.
Okay.
Put some onion stuff on here. Okay, this is what I usually use. Now, we're also gonna use more butter. We're gonna use more butter. There's never enough butter, as you can tell. Alright, so we're gonna put all this butter in here. Okay. Alright, the reason why is we're gonna use some fresh rosemary. This batch is pretty fresh compared to all the other stuff. So, all right, so we're gonna put that in here. Give it a or some smell or whatever. I don't know why we use it, but usually
That's good.
that's good.
Whoever should do that should eat it. We can have a recipe. Dad, we should make a recipe.
The recipe?
Yeah. Link in the description.
Oh, hey, we're back to the cooking show. I'm not supposed to be eating all this. Our asparagus, I think, is done.
That's cool. I tried it. It's soft.
All right, here.
It's that's. We'll put the recipe.
All right.
Link in the description.
So as of right now, I'm cutting up the meat for the kids. Asparagus is all done. Lobster tail's
Dad,
done.
the steak that.
Ow. And
That's a bad idea.
that's our cooking show. All right. Have a good one.